So today we are going to be making the most basic instant noodles, which is buldak cream carbonara, my favorite. It's actually not my favorite, but my mom loves it, so. And I like the jajang, the green one. Anyways, so I added hot boiling water, and I just boiled it for like 2 minutes until the noodles were separated. And then I rinsed it out, and I had some oil so the noodles don't stay together, but it did anyway, so. And then I added some oil, and then the sauces. And then I added some vinegar, some soy sauce. Everything is in the description. I was mostly eyeballing it, so yeah. And then some ketchup, some hot sauce. Just cooking it. I'm just concerned, am I burning it or what? And my fingernails are not brown. It's henna. And yeah, as usual, every video has to show some disaster of mine. Am I literally burning it? Anyways, and then I added some milk. Oh, the best part is cream cheese. Literally, cream cheese and milk makes all the difference. Like, you may think milk in noodles, but no, it's really, really good. Trust me. And then you add the noodles, and then you cook it because the noodles are like raw because you rinsed it out right when it's separated. And I felt like I should add more sauce because it wasn't spicy enough. And then I topped it off with some cheddar cheese. I actually like mozzarella more, but this is the only thing that I had. And then I had cooked my egg sunny side up, and then I sprinkled it with some chili flakes, some coriander, salt, pepper, and what do you call that white stuff? Sesame seeds. And ta-da!